Venance here. I sold a $5 ebook and it literally changed my life. I went from trying to figure out how to make money online as a content creator and a model and actually getting paid from this. Let's get into this. Let's get into how I did it. Cause girl, we got the tea today. If you want to learn how to show up confidently online, build a brand, and actually make money from it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Your big sis Venance is here and she got you, okay? You have nothing to worry about because I got you. Okay, my sister, let's get into it. I sold thousands and thousands and thousands of digital products online. I built my online business, digital products from scratch. Literally, I stumbled upon people talking about this online a couple years ago, and it didn't start like this. I had no idea what people are doing online. This was years ago. Okay, when I first started my journey online, I was trying to make money online, but not only that, the $5 ebook was a book called How to Start a Modeling Career from Scratch. So many models were reaching out to me because I started posting on YouTube about my journey. I was posting my photo shoots. I was posting little tips and stuff like that. Like just my journey of me trying to become a model. People were reaching out to me like, Venance, how did you do it? What did you do? Blah, blah, blah. They would ask me all these questions. And I started by like messaging people, like telling them things. But then it became a lot. So I was like, okay, how can I create something that I can just send? Like I could just send it to people so that they can just get all the information. So I stumbled upon this thing that I'm going to tell you soon. Make sure to keep watching. It started. I just was trying to help models get into the industry. Everything changed. My whole life changed because of this $5 ebook. My first sale, I remember when somebody purchased my ebook, I was dancing and screaming. I was dancing and screaming every day. Then once I made that first sale, it just kept happening over and over and over again. It was just like amazing. It was such an amazing feeling because I was like, wow, people are actually buying this. Like people actually want to hear from me. Me. It wasn't just an ebook, okay? It was a system that I built behind the ebook. That's how I was able to make a lot of money from it. I made over $450,000 from that one $5 ebook. Okay, my sister, before we continue this video, I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever tried to sell something online and it flopped? Let me know. What did you try to sell? Tell me, pause this video right now, comment and let me know what you tried to sell online and you felt like it flopped, and if so, what was it? Was it an ebook? Okay, my sister, now we are going to get into how I was able to do this. Like what is the system? Okay, the system is called a funnel. When I stumbled upon what the heck a funnel is and learned it, because there's funnel for everything, there's like a funnel for you getting in this video or any other video, watching it, liking it, clicking the link, following me, and then commenting on Instagram. And then, that's kind of like a funnel. But there's a funnel for digital product. And the way that I teach it or the way that I explain it. My sister, I am over here editing this video and I realized that I don't have the steps on how you're supposed to do this. Like the clips are gone. Disappear. Okay, they're gone. So I'm like, what the heck? So I gotta do it now. Let's get into the steps on how you are also going to create your $5 ebook using my Freedom Funnel system, and what I do and what I teach the queen how to do it. So let's get into it. Step one is you want to create a very simple product, okay? A very simple ebook. It could be $5, it could be $10, it could be $7, it could be $9 for me. I like to do either $5 or $7. And just think about, what do people always ask you about? Like, what is the thing that people are always like, I want to learn this from you, I want to know this from you. What is it? Literally figure that out and write your ebook about it. And inside of this ebook, You want to give so much value. You want to give so much information in this ebook, okay? That is the thing that people are always asking me about. Create an ebook on it, and then that's how you are going to sell that ebook. Step 2 is you don't just want to rely on posting only, because posting is not the business. Posting on social media is not how you're going to really sell this ebook, okay? It can help, but it's not gonna make you grow as fast. You know, like posting about your ebook is going to work, but you don't just want to post buy my this, buy my that, buy my ebook, right? You want to post the lifestyle. You want to post, let's say if you are someone who is really good at fashion, right? On your personal page, you want to post the lifestyle of you putting together outfits, but your ads are going to be the thing that is going to sell the book. Or you can have videos, you can do YouTube videos. You need to focus on what is going to be selling the ebook the most, not just like, okay, let me just post on Instagram, let me just post on TikTok every day. Like, figure out what is going to be putting me out there the fastest. Literally, that's what you want to do. Step 3 is you need a funnel. You need a funnel to sell this book. You don't just want to have this $5 ebook and it's just $5. No, you want to understand upsells, downsell, order bumps. You want to understand all of that, because you're not just going to be making $5 from that one ebook. You need to be making more. You want to get them into your world so that they can purchase more things, and you want to make sure that you over deliver. Like that $5 ebook that you are going to give them, you need to over deliver. You need to give in that ebook as well. The funnel just takes them from, I found you, okay, I like you, now I want to buy something from you. That's what it is. Okay, your funnel could be simple, and I also teach all of that. I have templates where you can just plug in everything and all. But yeah, you need a funnel to sell this $5 ebook. And then step 4 is the system is going to be selling this for you. I don't scream on social media, buy my ebook, buy my this, buy my that. My system literally just sell these for me. My systems work for me. My funnel works for me. I don't have to be selling every ebook online. Like not a manual thing. Literally, when you build this funnel, it's going to be selling for you for years and years and years and years. Mind you, like my $5 ebook that I wrote, I was selling for like 4 or 5 years. It sold so on autopilot. You know, when somebody gets on the page, the landing page, they get on that page, they purchase whatever they're purchasing. There's tags, there is in your email, they get the email. Like everything is automated. The emails are automated. Literally everything is automated. So I just focus on showing up, promoting, lifestyle, like just living my life, literally just doing things that I just like. So if you actually want to understand how this works, I created an ebook called The Blueprint of Selling Digital Products While Traveling the World. And I teach you everything, and I give you templates, Facebook ads, literally everything. And the link is going to be in the bio, or it's going to be up somewhere here. You can click that, and it's going to teach you everything about funnels. It's going to teach you how to build a lifestyle business like mine, where you don't have to be screaming on social media to buy something. Just understanding funnel. Woo, okay. Keep watching. Make sure to go ahead and click that link and grab that ebook, because it's going to change everything for you as well. Trust me. You're going to see so many of the girls that they also build your funnel. And one of my clients, she just moved to Thailand, and now she works in Thailand full time. She's a hairstylist, and she really, really wanted to become a stylist. She wanted to do it in another country, but she didn't. She was a little scared on how to move to a whole other country, how she can monetize other than her being in one place. So she built her funnel, and now she is traveling. She's in Thailand, and she is a hairstylist over there, and she's doing amazing. 3 or 4 more girls like her. Okay, so go ahead and click that link and join. But other than that, thank you so much for being here. I hope that this video explained to you a little bit about how to build funnels, how to take one little ebook and turn it into an empire. So that's what I did with my one ebook. So yeah, I hope that this really helped you. Other than that, Other than that, thank you so much for being here. Make sure to share this video to someone that you think might want to hear about funnels. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.